Yo, what up, folks? AJ with Hippie Fertilizing. It's almost middle of February. It's warm, about 70-something degrees outside. Got a little breeze, feeling good. But guess what? We've had a lot of rain. A lot of rain and a lot of rain. So that does make things a little bit troublesome. And that cold snap we had, say late December, really put some stress on things. Although, before you rip everything out, give it a little bit of time. There's a ton of plants that are gonna grow back, and if you're cool with just cutting them down and letting them come back, it's gonna work, I promise you. Let me see, hopefully this doesn't do that. Okay, good. So right now I'm trying to revive these lawns. It's looking like, kind of like 50-50, which you would think all my lawns will look the same. They're not. Gonna figure out what the problem is this year, because dang it, Hippie Fertilizing says he knows grass. So we're gonna figure out the root of this problem. No pun intended. Anyway, so today, like over here in a League City home, let's see, boom, got the SSB train, toot toot. There's some green in there, there's some growing, and you can't see it from here, but there's definitely some new growth in those Mexican heather. So that's definitely a good thing. Gonna put down a little touch of blue sky, a little bit of the stuff called Holganix bloom, with a little dash of ByoSpxtrum and a little dash of humic acid powder. Now, I've been seeing this stuff, and I don't know why it says this, but there's stuff on the website where I get one of my products. And for all of you who want to know, okay, if you want to buy it in bulk, you want to lay down some stuff on a field, your house, whatever, I'll buy some powders from Fertile Organic. So we've been playing with this corn steep. It's a 777. Maybe it's a little too early to really get a feel if that stuff is working. But what I'm curious is, they say liquid humic and then liquid humate on another one of their products. Now that I have the space, y'all will see this soon, where I have the shop with shout out to BLT Landscapes, my boy Harrison. Gonna make up some test plots, right? One of them, I just want to test molasses. I talk about it all the time. How great can I get it to be? So on and so forth. That's going to happen real soon with one of those areas. It's already looking pretty good. Want to keep it that way, but want to keep it simple, right? Plus, because we don't really have irrigation set up there, I got to be careful with what I do, because I can't really water it, right? So I want to find, what's the best thing that I can do, going back to the roots of Hippie Fertilizing with natural stuff that doesn't truly have to be watered a whole lot. Or, me being able to be in the applicator with my own test plots. How good can I be with getting that stuff down a little bit before rain, watering it in well, enough time to settle, but also close enough to where the rain will help me. Because typically I want to tell you, you don't normally want to put products down before the rain. At least around here, rains like hell, a lot of stuff can wash off, right? So generally, people are still using a whole lot of chemical-based stuff. You don't want that stuff leaching out into our waterways and stuff like that. Go Google search eutrophication if you haven't. It's everywhere. It's in the bay, it's in the Gulf, it's in lakes, streams, all over the place, okay? It's a really big problem, and we can prevent it by reducing what we use, being very adamant about how we use stuff, right? And also doing stuff that's more natural, that really has to be consumed by microbes and fungi, to be consumed instead of these more water-soluble products that go straight to the plant, because it does cause different physiological reactions and stuff. We'll get more into the meat of that soon, because I know I hadn't been talking much about teaming with microbes and everything like that, but y'all will see a little bit of why. Got some stuff in the development, it's very cool. So anyway, that's what I'm out here doing. A little bit of Holganix bloom. It's supposed to be their top tier liquid, mixed with a tad bit of blue sky, right? Has molasses, corn syrup, brewer's yeast, yucca extract. It's a wetting agent to penetrate the soil better. I mean, I just want my lawns to grow, dudes. I want them to be the freaking best. I want them to be straight fire, like, you know, hippie fertilizing, sour diesel type stuff. What's up? Anyway, I'll be back. Check out hippiefertilizing.com. Thank you. Give it a like. Let's follow, share, subscribe. Peace.